Hello everyone. As I told you in the introduction that we'll be taking a case study to learn the different concepts of Nginx. So there is one XYZ company that wants to set their website. They just want to go live with their website and wants Nginx in the web layer. They want the Nginx should act as a reverse proxy. Apart from this, the load balancing, the basic authentication should be taken care by Nginx only. So there are some checkpoints like which we need to make sure to be part of Nginx implementation. So it should act as a reverse proxy. We should make sure to create a load balancer. The basic authentication of username and password should be there with Nginx. Then we need to create SSL certificate and should be a part of Nginx configuration file. We should make sure the port 80 request should get redirected to port 443, and we should make sure the Nginx logs has been enabled and should be properly available. Let's head over to the next section of this tutorial to understand the different concepts of Nginx.